Hi and welcome. Adam Ravithis with Ravithis Realty. I'm excited to bring to market this spacious and well-kept condo here at the Laurels. In the kitchen, you'll notice high-end stainless steel appliances, and adjacent is the family room, lined with beautiful bamboo floors and flanked by a nice brick fireplace. Upstairs, 2 spacious bedrooms. If you need a third, we've got a partially finished basement for you on the lower level. Out back, probably my favorite feature, a beautiful deck overlooking the nice private backyard. Come on and follow me inside and let's go check out all my favorite features here at Unit 61. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at Unit 61 at the Laurels. I could really see myself enjoying a cookout and gathering with friends and family out here in the very private deck. If you have any additional questions about the property or like to schedule a private tour with me, please don't hesitate to call me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for a unit here in Enfield, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Ravithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.